In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autoplay on Spotify. This will take only about 5 minutes, and by the end of the video, you'll have full control over what plays next in your Spotify experience. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Spotify account. Logging into the app is the key first step, as it ensures you can make changes to your account settings. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window, where you'll see your profile picture. If you don't have a profile picture uploaded, you might see either your initials or a default avatar in its place. Clicking on this picture or avatar will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page or panel where all your account preferences are located. This is your control center for Spotify, where you're able to tailor the app to better suit your listening habits. Now, with the Settings page open, scroll down through the options available. Keep scrolling until you spot the section called Autoplay. This part might have different options depending on the version of Spotify you're using or whether Spotify has updated its interface. But keep an eye out for anything related to autoplay options. When you locate the autoplay section, you should see a specific toggle that says, Autoplay similar songs when audio ends. This feature is typically turned on by default, allowing Spotify to keep playing music by queuing up similar tracks once your current playlist or album finishes. What you want to do here is simply toggle this feature off. You'll know it's turned off when the toggle switch changes its color or position, usually from green to gray, indicating that autoplay is now disabled. With this change, Spotify will no longer automatically play similar songs when your selected audio ends, ensuring that your next listening experience will start only when you decide to play something. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the autoplay feature on Spotify. If you ever change your mind and decide you want it back on, just follow the same steps and toggle it back on. So, that wraps up our quick tutorial for today. Disabling autoplay can help you have a more controlled listening experience, especially if you enjoy the silence or prefer to manually choose each song. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Consider sharing with anyone who might benefit from managing their own Spotify settings. See you next time.